Evolution of control methods. From basics to advanced. Control systems are the backbone of engineering, automation, and modern technology. They ensure stability, accuracy, and efficiency in processes ranging from household appliances to aerospace systems. In this lecture, we'll enumerate and describe control methods, starting with the simplest and moving toward cutting-edge approaches. Basic control methods are on and off control, or bang-bang control, proportional, or P control. Classical control methods are proportional integral, or pi control, proportional derivative, or PD control, proportional integral derivative, or PID control, and lastly, lead-lag control. Enhanced control methods are feed-forward control, cascade control, ratio control. After that, advanced control methods are adaptive control, robust control, such as H-infinity mu synthesis, optimal control, such as LQR Pontryagin's principle. Lastly, cutting-edge intelligent control methods are fuzzy logic control, model predictive control, or MPC, neural network and machine learning-based control, and finally, hybrid and intelligent adaptive control.
In our next video, we'll dive into the details and practical implementation of each control method using Python.